Hello and happy February, everybody. As you can see, it's snowing here. Hello and happy March, everybody. Hello, everybody, and happy April the 1st. Astrocat wants to say hello as well.
It's the 1st of June today. I think we're coming out of lockdown here in the UK.
Hello there, and it's July the 1st today. Remember this? This is an old skull and some old videos. Hello, and here we are again, and it's the beginning of August. Hello and happy September, everybody. Hello there and happy October, everybody.
Happy Halloween.
Hello and happy November, everybody. Hello everybody and happy December and happy Christmas. No. You gonna say happy Christmas, Astrocat? And I hope next year we're all. And I hope next year we're more